Hey cosplay shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Cosplay Wake Up. I'm Nana and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make side bangs. So the first thing you want to do is portion out the hair. Make sure you have your bangs ready. You want to comb through your bangs to make sure there are no knots. And it's very simple to make side bangs. All you have to do is pull it out and create an uneven cut. You want to angle it down 90 to 45 degree angles and just cut downwards. The other side you don't need to really cut much. So this is what we're going to do. Just going to take the first strand, angle your fingers a little bit, make sure it's slanted, and just go down. Now we're going to take the rest of the hair, comb through, angle downwards, take the rest of the hair, and just cut to the side. You want to make sure that all the strands you cut are angled and are lengthier towards the right, or whatever side that you want your side bangs to sweep. And now you're done. It swoops to the side and it picks off the tape. Thank you for watching. That's all the time we have. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and make sure you subscribe.